Hello everyone and welcome back to my channel. Today I have another get ready with me using mostly LaColors. A lot of you seem to really enjoy the get ready with me style videos. I thought I would do a few more. So today is going to be mostly LaColors and other dollar makeup. So it's super affordable, it's a super easy look, and I think it's a good look for transitioning into fall. So I'm using the LaColors brow pencil. I did find this at the DollarTree, and it works pretty good. I do like it, but I do think that once it is in the brows, unfortunately, it pulls a little warm, which is okay. I still am going to use it until it's gone, because it is a good pencil. I'm using the spoolie, and I literally just fill those in. I'll take a Q-tip and clean them up a bit, because I do it messily. This is the Be Pure Brow Highlighter Pencil. Cannot recommend this enough. It's at the DollarTree. This is amazing, and I'm going to pick up more when I go to the DollarTree. This is an awesome pencil. Very good. It does a good job at highlighting and helping perfect the brow. So LaColors Lemon Drop Eyeshadow Palette. This is a couple years old, but you can still find this at your local Dollar General for $2.50. I've seen these at the Family Dollar as well, and they possibly have them at Walmart as well. So readily available. So I'm taking the lightest matte yellow shade in the palette, and I'm going to just hastily windshield wiper this into the crease. No rhyme or reason to this, just hastily doing it because I will perfect it later. And once I have that placed, I'm taking the reddish brown, well, it's kind of like, actually it's a orangish brown actually, and I love this look. It is like a honey kind of themed look and a honeycomb look. It's really pretty. Or even sunflower. I'm so drawn to sunflower looks. But I'm just taking that on the same fluffy brush, and I'm applying this in the outer corner. And instead of kind of hastily putting that there, I'm going to press it in. And I'm using a little towel to wipe off my brush. And I'll go in between the two and blend. Once I have that, I'm taking the really pretty shimmery golden shade. First, I try to apply this to the lid with my finger. Do not get the result that I want, so I'm just going to be taking my Makeup Revolution spray, setting spray, sprucing the brush, and applying the shimmery shade to the brush and then to the lid. I'm just going to kind of like paint that on to the lid. I will do both eyes this way, and you'll see me start blending again. And with these get ready videos, I was wondering, like, would you guys prefer me to like do chatty get ready with me, or just a full face of try to do the type like this where I explain still what I'm doing, or do you want to chat, ask me questions, things like that? I'm curious to what you guys want to see. And I am loading at least 4 times a week now, and I'm loading my videos around 2 p.m. Eastern time, if any of you are wondering about that. So once I have the eyeshadows on, and I'm going to go in and highlight the brow. So using the NYX single eyeshadow and Pure Skin to highlight my brow area. And not only this is going to highlight the brow area, but it will help bring the crease shade down. And I'm taking a wipe, wiping away fallout. And I'm taking the AOA Studio No Pore Primer. This is actually a pretty good primer. I believe it was $1 or $1.88. Either way, shopmissa has some awesome products in their AOA Studio line. And I'm just going to take my Profusion makeup sponge, and it is damp. And this is a new LaColors foundation, new to me, and I was kind of hoping, because I tried it years ago. I did purchase this on shopmissa.com. I tried this years ago, and I've never had much luck with their foundations other than the True Matte one, and that one, and the Radiant one is really pretty too, but I do prefer their True Matte one. This does have a little bit of scent, and this is just their liquid foundation. I'm quite disappointed in this. Not only I don't like the scent, but I can't really build this up. When I did try, the sponge lifted the product off of the face. So maybe I'll try it with a different primer. We'll just do a process of elimination, and I will use this again because I love LaColors videos and doing LaColors content. Yeah, it doesn't give much coverage at all. Like, you can still see redness. I would say this is a light to medium coverage foundation, but more on the light side. So if you want more coverage, I do not recommend this particular foundation. It did oxidize. It wore around the nose, which is typical. And like I said, it didn't cover the freckles or redness that I have on my skin. Luckily, I have the LaColors Ultimate Cover Up Concealer. And I wiped the foundation off my lips. And I'm going to apply this under the eyes. And I would suggest working kind of fast with this concealer, maybe one eye at a time, because it does dry kind of quickly. And you can find this concealer, I believe, at Family Dollar, Walmart, and Five Below, I believe. I picked mine up at Five Below. And I'm using this e.l.f. powder I picked up DollarTree, and this is a finishing powder. Once I have the concealer blend out and everything, I'm going to set that with this e.l.f. finishing powder. Press that under the under eyes and anywhere else I kind of want to set around the nose and everything, and it's still budged around the nose. And of course, every time you see me apply a powder product, I will go in with my e.l.f. kabuki brush and buff that out, every single powder product. So taking that orangey brown shade, I'm going to apply that on the lower lash line to smoke it out a little bit, give myself a little bit of color. And then I'm taking the light, shimmery, white kind of gold shade and applying that to the inner corner. See, this look is fairly easy and simple to achieve, and I love how it looks. This is AOA Studio Gel Eyeliner and Seize the Day. These gel eyeliners and sandal are there. It's a nude one for the waterline and to open the eyes up. These gel eyeliners are top notch. LaColors Mascara. I picked this up a while ago from the Dollar Tree. I've tried it before. It's okay. It's honestly nothing special. The worst part about this is if you get this mascara on your eyeshadow look, it's very hard to remove. Honestly, I wore the specks of mascara all day on my eye look because it just would not come off. I'm very disappointed in that. And these interchangeable brushes from the Dollar General, the LaColors Nude Glam Siren bronzer. This bronzer is really pretty, easy to work with, and it's matte. So I apply it on all the places I want to add color back to my skin. Yeah, so I would say so far though, the most disappointing product I used in this video here was that foundation. I wish they'd come in different, more shades. But for $1, you really can't beat it if you're looking to do a full face of LaColors. This new Glam blush from LaColors in Sultry is a really pretty peachy pink shade, almost coral, very pretty. And once again, the kabuki. I'm going to use the kabuki to blend everything out. The LaColors Strobing highlighter. These are so pretty, and it's in champagne. I found this at the Family Dollar, I believe, and these are gorgeous, gorgeous, absolutely beautiful, but very blinding. So depending on what you prefer, I would go in with a lighter hand or just full-blown heavy hand. So after blending all that out, lips, I'm taking the LaColors Nude Glam Lip Color and Bare It All. And I think this lip color is so pretty and perfect for fall. I just thought that I would get a good jump start on some fall looks, some easy stuff, and do some get ready with me since you guys really seem to enjoy that. Thank you guys so very much for watching. Stay tuned for more videos like these. I hope you enjoyed this video today and found it helpful and want to try the look out for yourself. Maybe try some of the products out for yourselves. Stay tuned for more videos like this. Don't forget to like the video, comment, subscribe, and ring the bell if you haven't already. Don't forget to check the description box and the cards for additional links. Thank you so much for watching.